Hello everyone, welcome to 𝗬𝗀𝗃, and in this tutorial we are going to create Moody Sunset preset in Lightroom Mobile. And one more thing, that today's preset is kept within a zip file which is password protected, and you can get the password from the top right corner during the video. So stay alert and note them down to get the whole password. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we will start with light. First we will adjust the highlights and the shadows. Next we will adjust the whites and the blacks, and according to them we will adjust the exposure and the contrast. Next we will go to curves, and here adjust the luminance curve as shown. Tap on done, and we will move towards the next section, which is color. Here set the temperature around +30, tint to +20, set the vibrance to +25, and we will decrease the saturation a bit. Okay, next we will go to mix. We will go to the orange color and we will increase the saturation of it and set the luminance around -20. Next go to yellow. Here decrease the hue and the luminance to -20 and set the saturation around +50. Next go to green, and here set both the saturation and luminance to a negative value around -10. Next go to aqua, and here set the luminance to a negative value around -20, and same for the blue. Click on done, and next we will color grade our photo. Set the hue of the shadows between 240 to 250 and saturation to +20. Next go to midtones, and here set the hue around 250 and saturation to +20. Next go to highlights. Here set the hue around 265 and saturation to +30. Next click on done, and we will move towards our next section, which is effects. Here set the clarity around +20, decrease the dehaze value a bit, we will add some vignette, we will add some texture too. Our next section is detail. We will add some sharpness first, and next set both the noise reduction and the color noise reduction around +20. And our next section is lens correction. Here turn on the remove chromatic aberration in case there is any color distortion on the edges. And just before creating the preset, we will try it on other photos to see how it affects them. And now we will go to options, and we will copy the settings so that we can paste it on other photos. Amazing. Now I will create the preset so that I can share it with you all. And here in the preset section, you can see that it's here. And just before signing out, we will see here's the before, and here is the current look of the photo, before and after. So that's all for this one. Thank you for watching.